Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to book bus transfer in the Wizz app. Just open the app and go to the top left corner. Now scroll down a little bit until you find services and this bus transfer button. Click on it and then you will have to specify the country, the city, and other details. After that, click on the Book Now button. But for me, there's no book for that day because it's for today, so you need to think in advance. I will set a different frame. Okay, so now we can select the one, example this one, and click on continue. Now we have to add more details here, even the flight number is needed, and if we have finished with it, then we will have to click on next, and that's basically it. I hope it helps.